Did you know that the Kalash Valley, nestled in the heart of Pakistan, is home to a unique indigenous culture that claims descent from Alexander the Great? Indeed, this isn't a tale spun from thin air, but a fascinating thread woven into the fabric of history. The Kalash Valley, cradled amidst the majestic Hindu Kush mountains, is a breathtaking spectacle of unspoiled natural beauty. But what sets this valley apart is its vibrant inhabitants, the Kalasha people. They trace their lineage back to the soldiers of Alexander the Great, who swept through this region in the 4th century BCE. Historical evidence lends credence to the Kalasha's claim. Linguistic studies reveal striking similarities between the Kalasha language and ancient Greek, while certain aspects of their customs and traditions echo those of the ancient Greeks. This ancient connection to one of history's greatest conquerors sets the stage for a deep dive into the fascinating world of the Kalash Valley. Step into a time capsule as we explore the vibrant culture of the Kalasha people. A journey through the Kalash Valley is a journey through time. Nestled in the majestic mountains of Pakistan, the Kalasha people have preserved their unique customs, traditions, and beliefs, forming a vibrant tapestry of cultural heritage that remains largely untouched by modern influences. The Kalasha are a beacon of diversity, practicing a form of ancient paganism in a predominantly Muslim country. Their religion is characterized by a pantheon of gods and spirits, with nature playing a central role in their spiritual practices. Their reverence for the natural world is reflected in their daily lives, from their eco-friendly homes made of local wood and stone to the intricate wooden effigies used in their rituals. The Kalasha are also known for their colorful festivals, which are the heartbeats of their cultural calendar. At the height of spring, the valleys echo with the jubilant celebrations of Chilam Joshi. This festival, a riot of colors, music and dance, is a time for the Kalasha to don their vibrant traditional attire, adorned with cowrie shells and intricate beadwork. It's a time for communal joy, for finding prospective spouses, and for paying homage to their gods for blessings of safety and prosperity. As autumn paints the valley in hues of gold and crimson, the Kalasha celebrate Ucha. This harvest festival is a time of gratitude, where the community comes together to offer thanks for the bounty of their land. Amid the swirl of traditional dances and the echo of rhythmic chants, the Kalasha share stories, pass down their ancestral wisdom, and strengthen the bonds of their community. The Kalasha way of life is a dance between tradition and change, a delicate balance maintained over centuries. Their culture, rich in folklore, mythology, and ancient customs, serves as a living testament to their resilience and adaptability. The richness of the Kalasha culture, a living testament to their ancient roots, adds to the allure of the Kalash Valley. Though deeply rooted in their ancient traditions, the Kalash Valley is not immune to the winds of change. Just like any other society, the Kalash Valley has its own set of modern-day challenges. The pressure of cultural assimilation is ever present, as the younger generation is increasingly drawn to the allure of the outside world, leaving behind their unique Kalasha identity. Economic difficulties are another hurdle. Despite the valley's potential for tourism and its abundant natural resources, a lack of infrastructure and investment has left many of its inhabitants struggling to make ends meet. This economic hardship has forced some to leave the valley in search of better opportunities, further threatening the preservation of their culture. On top of these, the Kalash Valley faces environmental threats. The area's rich biodiversity is under pressure from deforestation and climate change, jeopardizing the natural balance that the Kalasha have respected and preserved for centuries. But it's not all doom and gloom. Efforts are being made to address these issues head-on. Local and international organizations are working tirelessly to preserve the Kalash culture and protect the valley's environment. They're investing in education, promoting sustainable tourism, and implementing conservation projects to ensure the valley's future. Despite these challenges, the spirit of the Kalasha and the beauty of the Kalash Valley remain undimmed, a beacon for adventurers and culture enthusiasts alike. The valley story is one of resilience, a testament to the enduring power of culture and nature against the odds. So, what makes the Kalash Valley a must-visit destination for adventure enthusiasts? Well, it's a cocktail of ancient culture, breathtaking natural beauty, and the indomitable spirit of the Kalasha people. These are the whispers of the past, the colors of the present, and the promise of an extraordinary adventure. Imagine trekking through the majestic landscapes, immersing yourself in a culture untouched by time, and spotting diverse wildlife in their natural habitat. The Kalash Valley, with its blend of history, culture, and adventure, truly is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered.